Alright, so let's get started. Of course, no screws are required in this. Just a whole lot of zip ties, baby. As strong as you can get. You can either screw holes in, or drill holes in, or you can zip tie these suckers right up. But I tell you, I will not use any bolts here at all. This is something I've done before, something I love to do. Make me some cheap computers, y'all. You'll notice I have a hole in the back there. And that is for the power cable. Now, to mount the motherboard in, I'm definitely going to use some nylon string. Doesn't take much to keep it in there. Just as long as you're not going to be doing backflips while you're holding it. Some knots there. Yeah, sorry about the quality here. I accidentally recorded in vertical video and had to switch it over. Life is hard, isn't it? So here, oh no, we can't have that bracket on there, that's no good. I have to take those screws off. Do you see how fast I did that? Man, I'm good. I'm just that fast. Yep, and here's the hard drive. Slap that sucker on with some zip ties, sexy zip ties, yep. Ladies won't know what hit them when they see that hard drive mount. That's what I'm talking about, yeah. Zip ties for the win. Yeah, so I definitely did drill some holes out for that nylon string in the motherboard. But the rest of this is pretty much all existing stuff. Normally you can put a CD player in here. The first time I made this I put a CD player in and I put it just above the power supply. And it works. It worked. I can still put one in there somewhere. Now you'll notice I had to remove the video card a few times. I didn't have to, but I didn't want to break anything, so. There's the Asus. Yep, and as you can see by the Apple stickers, this is real quality you're getting here. Unequal. Alright, so let's get this sucker hooked up from behind. I did have to cut that out, use side cutters for that. And there we go, good stuff. Now, we'll give this sucker a test. Power on! Takes a minute. Some of these newer motherboards just seem to take more time than they should. And since I'm a real manly man, I'm watching some Dragon Ball Super in the background. Oh, there she goes. Good stuff. Thumbs up, Mr. Brown. Good job. Now I need some more zip ties for the power button. Now one thing that really blew me away with this is this was a hard drive. I hadn't set up anything for it. That's my surprised face. I haven't gotten a blue screen of death. I have not installed Windows on this hard drive. I got this hard drive from a friend and it boots in Windows 8, the original Windows 8. That's amazing. That shouldn't be able to happen. Maybe Microsoft has let up on their anti-piracy stuff. It started back in Windows XP. It took when you install Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, it takes a snapshot of your system, and then if it's not the same system, it'll just refuse to boot up. You'll usually get a blue screen of death. But that didn't happen here, which is freaking crazy. I just booted into it. That's not supposed to happen. So, ultimately, I had to, I should have zip tied this up first. I'm pretty sure it turned off because I was messing with that. I had to install a different version of Windows. Well, it was Windows 10, but I reinstalled Windows. And it worked. It worked nicely. This thing is relatively powerful. So yeah, sub $1 computer for the win. Makes me a better human being than you. I'm talking to that kid out there making the other dollar computer. Mine's better than yours, buddy. This was a Pentium 4. Mine's an i5. Yippee! Good stuff. Good stuff. So I didn't record myself installing the full version, so really this is just me running with what I got here. Just amazed that it actually starts up. That's really something, I tell you. I'll tell you what, Bobby. So yeah, all in all, I'd say it's a pretty good system. Just a rundown. We got 4 gigabytes of RAM. We got a i5 chip, 256 meg video card, small form factor, power supply, 500 gig hard drive, and all for under $1, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Anyways, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech. But like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it, and take care of each other. Catch you later.